Hey guys, Pineapple Smells here, and I'm going to show you how to download and use the Just Cause 2 multiplayer. So first off, you're gonna want to go to this website and download this, which would be the public beta. So once you download that, you take it and extract it to a folder, which I did here. Once you do that, you open the exe, and this will come up. You're going to want to put in this IP and put any nickname you want. So I'm just going to put Bluefoot, and then for this part you're going to want to click this and go to where your Steam folder is anywhere on your computer. So mine is in Program Files 86. You're going to want to go to Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and you're going to want to go down to Just Cause 2 and click on the exe here. So I'm going to open this and launch, just to show you guys it works. It's starting up, and most of the time when you use Just Cause 2, it's not going to be able to do this, but it's going to skip everything and just go and load you into the game, like so. Okay, so you're going to start out like this. It's weird, and then there you go. And just so you don't think it's fake, there are all the people's names. Right? Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe for more content.